How to use Slack Workflow Builder feature. To use the Slack's Workflow Builder feature, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the Slack application on your desktop. Now, once you open it, you simply have to click on your workspace name in the top left corner, then navigate to the tools. Once you open the tools section, all you have to do is then select the workflow builder to launch the automation canvas. Once you open the workflow builder window, all you have to do is click the create workflow button in the top right corner. From there, choose to start from the blank canvas or select a template. Now you simply have to choose a trigger from a link. The workflow runs whenever someone clicks on the custom shortcut link inside a specific channel, and on schedule, the workflow runs automatically at a set dead time. So you can choose between any of these options and then proceed to add the steps to the workflow. Send a message, create a form, and connect external applications like Google Sheets, Jira, Asana, or Salesforce. Once you do this, you simply have to click Publish in the top right corner of the builder screen and give your workflow a clear, recognizable name and icon. And this is how you can use the Slack Workflow Builder feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.